Electrical engineering, the soul of the universe. Electrical and electronics engineers work at the forefront of practical technology, improving the devices and systems we use every day. From solar energy systems to mobile phones, we innovate to meet society's communication, technology, and energy needs. Choosing AAA make you on a safer side of being in core engineering, and you can have a wide range of opportunities. Here we present some success stories of professionally qualified and successful electrical engineers.
Hello, I am Dr. Faisal Payani, Assistant Electrical Inspector. I was with College of Engineering Talasheri as a department head and with Saudi Aramco Chair in Electrical Power, King Saudi University, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. I had my PhD in Electrical Engineering from University Technology Malaysia. As you know, electrical engineering is the one of the evergreen branches. Current challenges in this field are the opportunities for future electrical engineers. Research and developments opens these opportunities. Getting high qualification or high study is the easiest way to reach these opportunities. Thank you. Have a nice day.
ഹായ് എൻ്റെ പേര് സുജിത്ത്. ഞാൻ എച്ച് സി എൽ അമേരിക്കാസിൽ സീനിയർ ഷെയർ പോയിൻറ്റ് ടെക്നിക്കൽ ആർക്കിടെക്റ്റായിട്ട് ജോലി ചെയ്യുന്നു. ഐ എം ട്രിപ്ലി പാസ്ഡ് ഔട്ട് 2009 ബാച്ച് ആയിരുന്നു. സോ ആഫ്റ്റർ കംപ്ലീറ്റിംഗ് മൈ ട്രിപ്ലി കോളേജിൽ നിന്ന് വിപ്രോ ടെക്നോളജീസ് IT കമ്പനിയായിരുന്നു ആദ്യത്തെ എൻ്റെ ജോബ്. അതൊരു IT ജോബായിരുന്നു. സോ ആഫ്റ്റർ കമ്മിങ് ഇൻ ടു IT ഫ്രം എ ട്രിപ്ലി ബാക്ക്ഗ്രൗണ്ട്, we all have that fear, like എങ്ങനെ നമ്മളത് സർവൈവ് ചെയ്യും, എങ്ങനെ how it will go, but it's not like that. ഇത് I was able to get up into new technologies pretty soon, and അതുപോലെ I have many other friends, അവർ also like ഇതുപോലെ similar background, and IT തന്നെ there are like different segments. ഇതുപോലെ there is like VLSI, embedded, അതുപോലത്തെ core technology where you can get into from electrical background, and even the core IT. അതിനകത്തും we'll be able to like survive, and then like from there on 10 years ഇപ്പോൾ IT ലാണ്, and there are like so many new opportunities coming up in IT, like cloud computing, IoT, power apps, so many കുറേ advanced technologies ഉണ്ട്, and who are like who is interested in that, you can definitely make it big here. So yeah, I hope this serves as a motivation to many others as well. Thank you.
To introduce myself first, I'm Vijay Kumari, an electrical engineer basically, and I had been working with KSCB. And I retired as Director Transmission and System Operation. I had been in KCB for more than 3 decades. And on superannuation, I got retired. Now I'm doing some consultancy works. And when I think of electrical energy and the people who are dealing with electrical energy, I feel that we are dealing with the most amazing form of energy. Electricity has become very, very essential as air and water. Because without electricity, without the amenities which it is providing, we cannot think of life. The life will become horrible without electricity. Even 1 minute of interruption we cannot afford nowadays. That is the importance of electrical energy, and the people who are dealing with electrical energy also become important, because we are dealing with an important important form of energy or whatever. See, I will share some experiences, or rather what we were doing in electricity board, and what all subjects were being applied in our career. That I can tell you. Actually, I was inducted to electricity board at the entry cadre, that is assistant engineer. Entry cadre for graduate engineers, that is assistant engineer. And from there I climbed up the career ladder slowly and became director transmission. And KCB, so far KCB is a single entity dealing with generation, transmission and distribution. So when one joined KCB, what happens is we get chances to work in generation, transmission, or distribution, depending upon our taste and our fate as well. Because sometimes we will be put to some sector, say transmission sector, and we prefer to stick on when we find interesting, we stick on there, like that. Overall, the application of even the basic electric circuit theory to power system, control system, all comes to our we get exposed to all these subjects, application of all these subjects. It is really application of what we studied, the subject, what all subjects we studied. And we get exposure to the transformer and defining the spec of transformer even, and the protection part of electricity, and the construction of lines and substations, both EHT as well as HT, and generating stations we come across, and all the intricacies, everything I cannot detail here. I'll just touch upon what all subjects we can get a piece of. That's it. And the maintenance part also in KCB, the transmission wing actually is taking care of the construction and maintenance of transmission infrastructure. That is the maintenance of electric, all the extra high tension lines and the substations from 220 kV to 33 kV. So we get a lot of opportunities where the subject is applied directly. And in distribution, actually the subject application is a bit less, but even then there are network design based upon the loads, optimum design, like that, and a transmission network design based on load flow studies and the system stability. All these things we are learning in colleges, isn't it? And the material science part also comes into play with regard to the materials, that various switch gears, as I said earlier, transformers, generators, and various materials like cables, wires, and relays, all such things. That is a utility part. And as an electrical engineer, we need to go to, we get opportunities in utilization part, like metro traction, railway traction, metro, and the manufacturing industries, this substation automation, such opportunities might come across. And there are a lot of application of electrical energy in day-to-day life, so we get opportunity in somewhere or other. And I think all these jobs are very interesting because we are dealing with energy. Energy is sustaining the world, so that becomes very important. So while you study, you find out opportunities for the wherever you find out opportunities to find out where all these things are being applied, and get exposure to such areas, so that all the theories can be memorized and applied later. So with this, I'm concluding. All the best, all the very best to everyone, the teachers and the students as well.
Hi, നമസ്കാരം. എൻ്റെ പേര് ശ്രീജിത്ത്. I work for Mercedes-Benz R&D India. ഞാൻ 2010 BTech ട്രിപ്പിൾ പാസ് ഔട്ടാണ്. ഞാൻ കറൻ്റ് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നത് Mercedes-Benzൻ്റെ തന്നെ ഹൈബ്രിഡ് ആൻഡ് ഇലക്ട്രിക് കാസിൻ്റെ ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെൻറ്റിലാണ്. നമുക്കറിയാം, ഓട്ടോമൊബൈലിൻ്റെ ഭാവി എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ഇലക്ട്രിഫിക്കേഷനാണ്. എല്ലാ ഓട്ടോമൊബൈൽ മാനുഫാക്ചേഴ്സും ഇലക്ട്രിക് കാസ് ഡെവലപ്പ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു സിറ്റുവേഷനിലേക്ക് മാറിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഒരുപാട് ഇന്നോവേഷൻസ് ഈ ഏരിയയിൽ ഇപ്പോൾ നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. പുതിയ സ്റ്റാർട്ടപ്പ് കമ്പനികൾ പുതിയ സൊല്യൂഷൻസുമായിട്ട് വരുന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെയൊക്കെ മെയിനായിട്ട് വരുന്നത് ഇലക്ട്രിക്കൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിങ്ങിൻ്റെയും അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പവർ ഇലക്ട്രോണിക്സിൻ്റെ ഒക്കെ ആപ്ലിക്കേഷൻസാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഇലക്ട്രിക്കൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് ബാക്ക്ഗ്രൗണ്ട് ഉള്ളവർക്ക് കൂടുതൽ ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റീസ് ഉള്ളൊരു മേഖലയും കൂടിയാണിത്. എന്നെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം എൻ്റെ ഒരു ഫേവറേറ്റ് ഏരിയയാണ് ഓട്ടോമോട്ടീവ് ഫീൽഡ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. സോ ബീയിങ് an electrical engineer, I got into this field which I'm very happy about.
Hi guys, this is Shweta. I'm an electrical engineer and I'm working with AECOM Qatar for electrical bus depot projects. By 2022, 75% of the public transport here in Qatar is going to be electrical buses, and by 2030 it's going to be 100%. We know that resources are limited and we are running out of fossil fuels, so the future is electrical buses, cars and everything. So this field, electricity or electrical engineering, it's running the world. It's a global network. The entire world is being governed by electricity, and to be a part of it, I am very proud. I am really proud to say that I am an electrical engineer. This is the future. This was the future, and this is always going to be the future. I welcome you all to this.